Okay, we will start now with block 4, and here we have a little bit of variation, and the ones that have done my hooked and lock call of 2018 recognize this pattern, the stairs that I did around the entire border, and we will use it here also. And well, this is where we stopped, and here we switch the block over, and I will show you this one more time. Make a slip knot, put it on your hook, and follow the instructions. We have to do 8 back post double crochets in total, 5 across collar to A of block 1 and 3 across block 3. And well, let's make a wrap around the hook. We will first work around that single crochet of the corner here, and I will show you one more time where to pay attention to. So we have, this is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now we come to our warning sign here, our marker. So we have to skip this and work around the stitch of the next block, and this is 1, 2 and 3, that single crochet in the corner there, 1, 2, 3. So we have counted correctly. It's the same as what it says here. And now we will do row 1A, and there is something new happening there that you haven't seen me do before. So we'll continue with the next block. We will do row 1A now, and there is something new that you haven't seen me do before. So I will show that to you, and I will remove my marker. And well, it says color 2 to the back, so our green is at the back already, and our side stitch is already done. And then we have to work back front 3 times, so back front back front back front, and then back 1 time, and then the side stitch. So this is our first hole that we have to work through, and we pick up our stitch here at the back of the green, and we have to do extended stitches, you know that. This is the first time that we do a row in color 1, and next, and do our in-between chain, and next we have to work in front because it says back front, and this time we have to be in front of the green and pick up our post here, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2, and then we have to work at the back again. So go through the next hole, pick up the stitch, work from the back of the color green, then again work at the front, then again go to the next hole and work from the back again, and pay attention that you do the extended back post double crochets, and then again in front, and back one time, so through the last opening of the square at the back, an extended double crochet, and then do the side stitch. Never forget the side stitch. 1, 2, 3, and then I will quickly show you row 1B, and row 1B says back front 4 times, so we are already at the back, and you know we can just do regular interwoven crochet now with just single crochet of double crochets and working into the tops of the double crochets of the previous row. And well, the first one is already at the back, and then we have to do front, so we have to look where the top of our first double crochet is. That's here, back, front. Here's our next double crochet at the back. Here's the next double crochet. We work at the front, our next double crochet here, back, front, back, front, and it is the top of the standing double crochet, so we can work in the top there instead of a chain opening. So well, I think you will get it by now. I will finish this block, and I will also do the low border around it, and then I will show you the other side when we work here, because then we have to cross 3 blocks, and that is what I also want to show you.